Hi everybody, Lori Harmon here. I'm an executive leader. I just wanted to start by showing you a book, of course. If you have not seen this book, it is a must. So every page has pop-ups and pulls. It's just super, super fun. I'm not going to show you all of them, but they are super fun. So the pop-up Halloween, if you're not selling it, you should be. Okay, so I am here to talk about educational services or being an ESR. If you are on the road to being a leader, you need to know a little bit about being an ESR. So remember, before I jumped on down this road, I want you to know that parties must be the basis of your business for it to be a healthy, thriving business, because that's where you're going to be able to have the sales and recruits to be able to grow your business. That being said, those commissions off school and library sales can be really, really nice. So you need to make sure that you go through the ESR training first. And the most important thing is you don't contact anyone unless you have it listed, because that can cause so many problems. I can't even tell you. So if you're going to work with a school, except a preschool, you need to make sure that it's listed and that you are an ESR. Okay, so the key to working with the schools and libraries is to develop a relationship. People need to know you and depend upon you. They need to know you're going to be there. So you want to start that off from the very beginning. You want to be able to go in and be professional and make sure you never ever take a baby with you, that you are there and you are professional. Always know their names, take notes if you'll forget their names, and make sure that you have an appointment. If you can't get an appointment, you don't know who to make the appointment with, then stop by. But make sure when you go to an appointment or you stop by that you have a treat to drop off, because you want to make you stick out. You want to make you rememberable. And so make sure that those treats are nice. And then ask them, if you have an appointment with them, ask them, what do you really like? And I'd be happy to bring that next time. So, because developing that rapport is so, so very important. So that when they have that extra $100 or that extra $1,000, they call you and they say, oh, I have some extra money. I really want to put in an order. Make sure that you're touching bases with your schools and libraries at least quarterly. You want to be touching bases with them. And always, I forgot this, when you take that treat, make sure you take books too, because you want them to see the books, because that's what makes us stand out. I love the beginner series. I think those are a librarian's favorites, but ask them what they're looking for. Do they need to fill any holes? Okay, so those are some tips. If you are serious about being an ESR, you need to go through the training first. And if you have questions, Shauna or I, we do a lot of ESR stuff, so we'd be happy to answer them. Just message your leader, and if your leader doesn't have those answers, we'd be happy to answer them. So those are my tips, and make sure, remember, you want to have that relationship with your schools and libraries, okay? I'll see you later. Bye.